Grok AI has stopped offering free video generation, and when you click on the Generate Video option, it now asks you to buy a subscription. But you do not need to pay for any subscription because in this video, I will show you 5 AI tools that allow you to create videos completely free. Although Grok AI gives good results, it is now paid, and many people are turning to Flow AI as an alternative. However, Flow is currently facing high demand, and you may see messages saying that it is not working properly or to try again later, which means you cannot reliably generate free videos there either. So instead of wasting time on these tools, I will introduce you to 5 powerful AI tools that let you create 100% free videos without any cost. In fact, the video you are watching right now may have been created using these free tools. I personally use these tools to generate videos and run my YouTube automation channel, and tools number 3 and 4 are my favorites. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tools to use to create high-quality AI videos without paying anything, so let's get started. The first AI tool you can use to generate videos for free is Meta AI. You simply need to visit the Meta AI website, click on the menu in the top corner, and sign up for an account. After signing up and logging in, you will see a video option that you can select. Once you click on it, a prompt box will appear where you can create both images and videos for free. To generate a video, click on the image option and switch it to video mode. Then, type any prompt you want and click on the animate button. You can also upload your own image and convert it into a video. After clicking animate, you just need to wait a few seconds and the tool will generate multiple high-quality videos for you. The results are surprisingly good and can even compete with paid tools like Grok AI. The best part is that Meta AI currently allows you to create these videos completely free, making it a powerful option for anyone who wants to generate AI videos without spending money. The second AI tool you can use is Grok AI, which allows you to generate up to 10 videos per day for free. To use it, simply visit the website, sign up, and log into your account. Once you're inside, you will see a dashboard with an input box where you can create both images and videos. Since we are focusing on video generation, you need to select the video option. After that, enter your prompt in the box, or you can also upload your own media or even a reference video if you want better results. You can choose the aspect ratio based on your preference, and once everything is set, click on the Generate button. The tool will take around 1 to 2 minutes to process your request, and your video will be ready. For example, if you type a prompt like a cartoon-style video, it will generate a similar result. You also have an option to expand the video further using the Expand feature. Overall, Grok AI provides very impressive results and is definitely worth trying for free video generation. The third AI tool for video generation, which I personally use, is called Video. To get started, you need to visit the website, sign up, and log into your account. Once you're inside, you will see a prompt box where you can create images, videos, and even generate an avatar. For video creation, simply type your prompt into the box describing the kind of video you want. You also have the option to upload images for the start frame and end frame if you want more control over the output, and choose your preferred aspect ratio, then click on the Generate button. The tool will begin processing your video, and within a short time, you'll get a high-quality result. Video produces very impressive outputs, and if you receive free credits, it becomes a great option for creating AI videos without any cost. The fourth AI tool is very powerful and versatile, allowing you to convert text to image and image to video with ease. The name of this tool is Veer.com, and it offers free and even unlimited options for generating images and videos. To use it, simply visit the website and click on the Text to Video or Generate option. You can upload a reference image if you want, and on the right side, you will see a prompt box where you can enter your basic prompt. There is also an optional feature where you can specify camera style and movement for more advanced results. After that, you can choose the video format and duration according to your needs, and then click on the Generate button. The tool will start processing your request, and within a short time, your video will be ready. Veer.com also provides many other AI tools that you can explore, and the best part is that you can generate videos without even signing up or logging in, making it a very easy and completely free option to try. The fifth AI tool you can use is hunyuanvideo.org, which allows you to generate videos completely free of cost. To use it, simply visit the website and hover your cursor over the free AI video option at the top. You will see multiple AI models available, and you can choose any model to create your video. After selecting a model, you will get options like text to video and image to video, so you can choose according to your needs. Then select your preferred aspect ratio and click on the Generate button. If you encounter any errors, you can simply switch to another model and try again. Within a short time, your video will be generated, and you can easily download it to your device. This tool is very powerful, completely free, and among all the tools mentioned, it stands out as one of the best options for creating AI videos without any cost. Lastly, as a bonus, another powerful AI tool you can use is Qwen.ai. To get started, simply visit the website, sign up, and log into your account. Once you're inside, you will see a plus icon. Click on it and select the Create Video option. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio, enter your prompt describing the video you want, and click on the Generate button. The tool will begin creating your video, and within a short time, your result will be ready. It also allows you to generate videos for free, making it a great additional option to try. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.